While being short does have its advantages, buying jeans or pants that always fit is just not one of them. So if you've ever had that problem where your jeans are just too long, in this video I'll be showing you how you can take up your existing jeans while keeping the original hem. So the first thing you want to do is try on your jeans and mark using washable chalk where you want the jeans to end on you. Then you want to lay your jeans on a flat surface and you want to measure from the hem up to that chalked first marking, and you want to repeat that, so marking all the way around your jeans from the bottom to the chalked marking all the way around, just to add a few more points so it's easier to make a straight line. And I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to use that to connect the dots so we have a straight line all the way across, and I'm going to repeat that for the back as well. Now that we know where we want the new hem to sit, I'm going to find the point just above the original hem, so that's the existing hem, and I'm going to fold it up and pin that to the chalked line. It can help if you start by pinning from the side seam, just to make sure that that part is a continuous kind of looking stitch, and you can do it as you go around the rest of the jeans. So we've done that for one leg, now we're just going to do that again for the other leg. Now we can get into the stitching. If you are sewing jeans, you want to make sure that you have denim machine needles or jeans needles, as you can see that I have here, and that's just going to make it so much easier to make sure that your stitches come up properly and that your needle or your thread doesn't break while you're sewing as well. So you folded the jeans up. Where are we stitching, you may ask? So what we're stitching is that line just underneath the original hem. So we've pinned it up to that chalk line, and then we're stitching, not stitching the original hem, we're stitching just underneath the original hem, and we're doing that all the way around. We're using a straight stitch to make sure that it's secure in place, and then we will be able to keep the original hem while taking those jeans up. Note, the closer you stitch to that original hem is the neater the look of your jeans will be once you're finished. I would suggest stitching not touching the original hem at all, but just directly underneath it. So that means you have to sew in a very straight line. But keep your eyes on where that needle is going. Stitch slowly if you have to make sure that you get a very neat stitch when you're doing this. So I'm showing this as an example of what your jeans look like if you stitch it slightly away from that original hemline. So again, the closer you stitch to that original hem is the neater your jeans will be. So I just went back in and stitched around the other leg, making it a tiny bit closer, and then this is the end result that I got. So it's up to you depending on like how close you want to stitch it. And then once you have stitched that, all you want to do is get your iron and press that seam flat, and then it will be looking just the way that you want it to. If you do want to trim off the excess of your jeans, depending on how long it is, you can do that as well, and just do like an overcast stitch to lock that stitch in place so it doesn't fray. I just left mine as is, and then once you've done that, you have your jeans taken in. Let me know what you think, and if you're looking for more tutorials like this, then make sure you check out this video next. See you, bye guys.